with his crane at the end of the day. Let's help him. Check the wheels of the crane. This tire has too much pressure. We need to lower it. Set the compressor to the tire. Tap this button to make the pressure of the tire lower. Hood of the car and repair all the broken parts. Take away all the broken blocks. Install the new parts in their places. Fill up the engine with oil and brake fluid. The motor works perfectly! Let's wash the crane before tomorrow morning. Wash away all the foam. Smudge's daddy sleeps well when his crane works perfectly. An evening shower is useful, and not only for cars, but for everybody. It makes your body relax, and your sleeping will be safe and sound. Now, you can turn off the light.